30 Days of Policing, Day 2, and at the Hughes Initiative, you know what we do. Today's topic is communication. New police officers, do me a favor. Go out and strive to have 5 random conversations a shift. Just 5. That's the number to start at, just 5. Could be 30 seconds, could be 2 minutes, could be 5 minutes, but strive to have 5 random conversations with 5 random people a day. I sound like an old timer when I say, oh, the kids today, all they do is sit on their phones. But in reality, that's kind of true. You know, the vast majority of communication between people takes place electronically. But as a police officer, you have to understand this. 99% of your job is communication. Or check that. 99% of your job is the ability to communicate. You have to know how to do it. On a traffic stop, at a domestic, people call us just to talk to us. And they just want to have a conversation. They just have a couple things they want to get off their mind. There's just a couple questions that they have, and they need some answers. And you have to be able to communicate with people and do it right the first time so they don't call back a second time. Like, that's the hallmark of a good police officer. If you can take care of a situation the first time and no one else has to go back there a second time, you're doing something right. 30 Days of Policing, Day 2, Communication. Like, follow, subscribe for more content related to all things policing. I'll see you next time.